Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out today. We are doing a little unboxing on the Wltoys K989 1/28 scale little mini rally car. This is actually a model, guys. Price point is fantastic in the UK. This is under £50, nearly enough everywhere. It's a miniature model, so you got an independent suspension, little wheels, separate wheels that come off, ball bearings. This is ball raced as well, guys. Motor, servo, 7.2 volt little LiPo that goes in there as well. This thing is a little beauty beast. I can't wait to unbox it. The reason I've got this is I want to turn it into a tabletop drifter. I'll put a link to the video after this. I have already done tabletop drifting with a miniature car that was well over £300 in value. What I want to try and do is get this thing drifting, I don't know, let's say under £100 for everything, all done and dusted. Change out the body, the wheels, get a little gyro in there. Anyway, let's get this thing unboxed. Let's show you what's inside. Here we go then. Bust this little seal open. Pop the top. Ooh. I think that's a little Ken Block looking type Fiesta type replica type shell. The shell will do for now. Let's get this thing under. Oh, 2.4 radio underneath. I've got loads of zip ties, but luckily I've got the scissors ready for this. Undo that one. Do another one. Nope. There you go. Little 2.4 radio. Like I say, I'm not expecting mega things from this. This is under £50, guys, as it is. In actual fact, that's a nice little radio, nice little rubber grip on there. Yeah, adjustable as well. Under these these zip ties here. 1, 2. Ta-da! Yes, I like it already. You'll have seen the pictures. You've probably already got one by the time you're watching this video as well. Little miniature pins. Let's set them off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful we don't lose them. Ta-da! Yes! What a platform to start on. Absolutely fantastic. Right, like I say, I ain't going to pay too much attention to what it's like right now because I do want to change this up. Like I say, I'm going to spend up to £100 on it to sort of try and get it where I want it. The good thing about it is you got all these parts are actually available in aluminium, or they are 3D printable, and I've got a 3D printer, so let's see what happens there. Even the chassis plates are 3D printable. I do like the look of the carbon ones, which is probably where I'm going to go. You can actually adjust this chassis as well, so where these wheels and arms sit on the chassis, you can actually adjust them. Again, little independent suspension there, look. Oh, look how cute that is. Drive shafts, 4-wheel drive. It actually feels really smooth. It would do because it's got ball bearings. Can you believe that? Everything's ball raced in that little car. Like I say, my big idea is, like I say, upgrade this, get the drift wheels on it, maybe even go rear wheel drive only, get a little gyro on it as well, and see if we can get this thing drifting. Got big plans, guys, on at the moment. I'm actually building a studio upstairs in the loft. So as soon as that's complete, I might get a little drift track up there if I can fit it. As well as that, forgot to mention, let's take these body clips out again. Little battery retaining strap there. You have also got inside a little 7.2 volt LiPo. 7.4 volt LiPo, my bad. 20C, 400 mAh. Look at that. You still want to be careful when charging these, guys. Don't leave unattended. And definitely pack it away somewhere safe outside of your house, I would. So this model currently has a combined radio system and speed control system. This is all in one, as you can see on the top there. So you'll have somewhere in there, you've got your receiver, which is probably at the front where these pins are going in for the servo. And then at the back, you've got the speed control part. Little Mini Z motors as well. So these are going to be upgradable. So you fit the Mini Z upgrade sport tune motors if you want to. I want to try and get as many Mini Z parts fitting this as I can, to be honest. That is the goal. I'd be interested to see what's behind them wheel nuts as well. See if we can find the toolkit and take one off and have a look. So we've got a little good old Tamiya wheel wrench here. This has got the right size on it for there. I think it's a 3mm. Yep, there you go, that's off. It's all up behind that wheel. Oh, look at the bearings, that looks nice. Strange little size there, guys. I'm not sure what that is. That's really badly glued wheel as well. Look at that. But what are you gonna expect, really? So no body pins and no little pins that hold them wheels on. As you can see, it's just a little cut chamfer on the shaft there. Let's just drop that back on. So this chassis is currently a 4-wheel drive chassis, shaft driven, as you can see through there. So it's driven from the back, which is nice if you want to do a rear wheel drive conversion. So take all that shaft work out, take the centre diff out, and you've got yourself a rear wheel drive car. The steering needs some work. Obviously that's as far as your steering goes. I'll tell you what, let's put a battery in this and power it up. So just for the purpose of this video, we're going to fire this little baby up just quickly. I do recommend charging this thing straight away as soon as you get it, like I say, in a safe environment. Always watch it when you're charging it because it's a LiPo. So four AA batteries in the bottom of your remote. Turn it on. Now this thing as well is different. You're not actually going to connect this power lead up to that. You're actually going to connect the balance port up to that, like so. Turn the car on. And there you go, everything's fired up. Steering. Oh, we got a little beep from the car, but don't worry about that, that's just your trim. Just turn the throttle trim up or down to stop that happening. There you go, just a little trimming on the remote will stop that little beep sound. As well as that little beep sound with a small motor will get it warm, I do know that much. So steering. That ain't bad steering, to be honest. That can be improved, like I say, to get this thing drifting. We're going to have to get this one wheel right in there. And the same with the other side when we steer the other way. But other than that, that works really nice. Feel a little bit of throttle. That gear mesh sounds a little bit tight for my liking, but we'll leave it as it is because it's a tiny car. Wow. Oh, no, yeah, one thing we need to do is quickly get this thing whizzing around the table. Let's have a look. Also, before I put it all away, sorry, I forgot to mention, in there is your little LiPo charger. So you'll connect that up to a little USB port brick, and then you literally put your balance port from your battery into there and it charges. It does say don't leave it on for a specific amount of time. As well as that, you got a little spare gearbox, which is nice just in case you crunch the one you got, and a manual. Let's put it all away. Let's get this thing drifting around the table. Drifting, sorry, I don't mean drifting. This thing ain't ready to drift yet, surely. These rubber tyres are far too grippy to be drifting. But let's see if we can run it around on the table, small table at least. So just going to get the last of these body clips fitted up. These are tiny, guys. I can't do it. There you go. I do want to get a little mini Z body for this. And while we're talking about bodies, this has actually got a little peeler on the outside. So you can peel the whole cellophane off and it'll be a nice new shiny car. And let's see if we can actually get this thing turning on a turning circle on this coffee table. Whoa! We got all or nothing on the all or nothing on the accelerator. This thing's a fast little car. So you can get a donut. No, it's far too grippy. Wow! What I'm going to do is, because I'm curious, I'm just going to get some sellotape, wrap them around the tyres, come back to you, you'll see. So purely just for the purpose of this video, because I want this to be a little drift car, what I'm going to do is wrap the tyres in sellotape, like so, completely reversible. There's one done, the other. I want to see if this thing can at least donut on this coffee table as stock. The more I think about it, I might even keep this 4-wheel drive for now without trying to do the 2-wheel drive conversion on it. I just think it'd be a whole lot easier, and what I'm thinking I really want to do is separate the electrics up. Where's that other sticky tape? Come here. Let's get this fourth one going. You're seeing this as I am, guys. So it's just a quick little idea to see if we can get this thing whizzing around this table. if it can whiz around the table like this, it can definitely be modded to actually drift around stuff on the table. There you go. So look at that. Woo-hoo! Let's try that out. Whoa! Let's zoom out a little bit. Here we go then, guys. Try and get a bit of drift action out the box. And we have got some. Whoa! Think it's going to work as a drift car, guys? We've got that drifting out the box. Completely reversible. If you just want a bit of fun in your living room, do the Wltoys K989, whatever it is. Bit of sellotape on the tyres. Set up a little course on there. Try and drift around with something. No, we fell off the back. Yeah, she's drifting on the table. Not really controllable as such. Definitely want to sort out a separate speed control. And definitely want to sort out a separate receiver. So there's a lot more throttle control. Other than that, guys, I think that'll get you on your way. Let me know in the comments below if you've actually managed to mod another little body onto this, because as cool as that body looks from afar, I can't do with a fake body. That's like a, I think it's a Ford Fiesta more than a Focus. And I can't do all the fake decals on it either. So what body shells have you fitted to yours, guys? Let me know below. Probably some sort of mini Z body shell, surely. And where I'm gonna get the drifter tyres and wheels from as well. Anyway, guys, just quick out the box. Really happy with it, to be honest, for the money. It's absolutely crazy. A little bit of a Brucey bonus for you guys then. Let's take off that skin on the body shell. And look at the quality decals and paintwork underneath. It does look even better, but still can't do it. Drop comments below, guys, on what body I should get. If a Mini Z body will fit, then absolutely fantastic. That'll do me nicely. There you go. That's all peeled off. See you on the next one.